The most common reason your Galaxy S25 won't send MMS is that mobile data is disabled. Even if you're connected to Wi-Fi, MMS requires a mobile data connection to work properly. Other possible causes include not having MMS service enabled in your carrier's plan, weak cellular signal, incorrect APN settings, a temporary software glitch, or issues with the Messages app itself. In this video, you'll learn reliable fixes to get your Galaxy S25 sending MMS again. So follow along and you'll be back to sharing pictures and group texts without any problems. The first thing you should try is restarting your phone, as this clears out temporary glitches that could be blocking your messages. Next, enable mobile data. Remember, MMS won't work over Wi-Fi alone. To make sure that's not the issue, open Settings, tap Connections, then Data Usage, and toggle mobile data on. You should also check your carrier plan. Confirm that your plan includes MMS service and that you have enough data allowance to send and receive multimedia messages. If you're unsure, contact your carrier to verify. While you're at it, make sure you have strong signal reception. If you're in a low signal area, MMS might not send until your connection improves. Now check the Messages app settings. Open the Messages app, tap the More Options icon, and choose Settings. Then go to More Settings and select Multimedia Messages. Make sure all the required options are enabled. Or better yet, enable every option while you're still troubleshooting and then try to disable them one by one when everything is working fine. Also, make sure to allow attaching unsupported files for now. If that doesn't help, try clearing the Messages app cache. Just hold on its icon and tap on the app info icon. Tap Storage, and from there, tap Clear Cache to remove corrupted temporary data. Another key fix is to check your APN settings, as incorrect APN details can block MMS entirely. To check on this, open Settings and tap Connections. Select Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. Make sure the MMS fields match your carrier's official settings. Also, you can reset the mobile network settings to bring them all back to default, especially the ones that might have been changed incorrectly. You can find it in Settings, then General Management. Select Reset and choose Reset Mobile Network Settings. Confirm the reset and test MMS again. These steps should be enough to get MMS working again on your Galaxy S25, but if the problem continues, contacting your carrier may be necessary. Thanks for watching.